Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about how you know you have your head restraint in the correct position to make sure you get maximum protection in the event of an accident. Now, it's important that we have the rigid part of the head restraint supporting the centre at the back of our heads. This will ensure that if we do have an accident, it minimises the risk of whiplash or any serious injuries. To make sure we do that, and the easiest way to do that is to line our eye level or the top of our ears up with the middle of the head restraint. This will ensure that we have the maximum protection in the event of an accident. If you want to find more useful videos the same, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop. Please give this video a like or a comment if you've got any questions, or if you want to join our online theory course, visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.